When you get out, just make sure you go to the front, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate your time.
That was lit. I feel like I ain't vlog on my phone in so long, but I forgot my camera in the house. That was so lit. That was lit, right? That was lit as fuck. That was so crazy. I was too lit. Oh. That was lit. Ugly as hell, boy.
What's our pictures?
Our pics?
Where our pics at?
We can't record it, right?
No,
right.
over the screen.
Alright. Oh, go back? Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. That's a good one. You go to the ones when we was in the helicopter? Oh, I
It's
need.
on a slideshow. I'm not controlling it. So it'll go through them all.
That's crazy how I said go back and it went back too. That's crazy. That's a good one. It was good, John. I like them. Oh, I need that. Ooh. Oh, we need some of these, Johns. Look at him. Always recording. Look at his head. Why is he recording? Oh, she can't control it. You missed the pics. But yeah, that's us taking off.
I'm not buying. You can't control it.
Yeah, that's good right there. Watch when we in the helicopter. Watch. That's some good Johns. No capita. Y'all probably clicked on the video like, why is the video not clear? But I forgot my camera in the crib. But I feel like y'all Travi gang anyway. Y'all going, but yeah, I'm out with that. But I feel like y'all Travi gang anyway. Y'all gonna mess with the pics. So I said pics. I mean y'all gonna mess with the vlog. So I'm gonna post some more vlogs while I'm down here. I think I'm down here for like 2 or 3 more days. So I'm gonna post some more vlogs. I feel like I need to go to the mall, do a public interview. So I feel like when I'm back in Philly, people don't be wanting to be in public interviews like that. And I gotta pop a fucking pimple, man. Oh, fuck. But yeah though, I'm gonna keep vlogging though. But I just wanted to tell y'all that's why I'm on my phone, because I forgot my camera in the house. I'm gonna post a late night pool vlog tonight too as well. I'm gonna post a pool vlog as well. This trip is lit though. I fuck with it. It's lit. They about to take off. Oh shit. Oh, no cap. No cap. Oh.